Next ones are community murals by Marco Antonio and the Online Advocacy, which I'm guessing is a charity or something. Ooh, I've just seen another one that wasn't on the map. That's a nice one. We're going to do these two first, and then we'll come back to that. Not sure why, but the camera's decided to go a bit wonky, but more love, which is obviously a nice message. Right, next one, Sophie Mess. So the community murals were from 2021, and this Sophie Mess is on the map, but it didn't come up. 2021 as well. So get a look at this one. There we go. Beautiful floral work from Sophie Mess. Humankind, 2021. Still really nice, vivid, bright colours. Got this like dark teal background, purples, pinks, blue and white letters. Really like that. Nice little surprise stumbling on that one when I didn't know it was there. So on to the next one. Next one, nice one, 7 Tash Creates Elno from 2023. Girls have done really good work to get around the corners of these horrible walls. The walls are like wave shaped, all overlapping each other. So the continuation that they've done here to get everything to not only line up, but still line up when you see it from around the corner. Dedication. So the next one is just around the corner. It looks like it's behind a fence, so I'll try and hold you up above or poke you through so you can see it. I don't know the name of this one. I can see the tag now, 7 Lycia or 7 Lycia or Leica. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, then apologies. Really, really nice, vivid, colourful work, like a leopard. Hopefully, the camera's pointing directly at the wall there. Like I said, you're up above a fence, so it's about the best I can do. The sun is right there on the wall, so we'll step back over to here, try and catch it without the sun glaring up at it. On to the next one. This one is Marco Antonio and Fee. I think. Nice old school characters. Uh, 2020 this is again, so before the first festival. Diversity in the city. And then we've got a little All Eyes on Gaza, Heroes of Palestine. By Noor Harazin and Lamar Jamos 9. This one, Chroma Chameleons 2021. Looking a little bit tired, but 4 years old in the bit of town that looks like it doesn't get looked after that well, so it's not doing too bad. This one from Wietse Art from 2022. Like the pattern work, giving texture to the animals. Nice mix of style in that, I like that a lot. Sits on the building really well. The fox's paw on top of the window, the robin at the top sat on the window. Try and see if we can catch it without the cables in front. Nice, I like that. Next one is just across the street, so keep the video running. At least I think it is. Get a good view of that Wietse Art from here. I can't see the next one. It's on a, oh, I've walked past it, that's why. It's on one of the electrical boxes. And the artist is called Sleep Sparrow. This one is Filth, or Phil Blake, and it is from 2021. Four years old, still nice and bright, looking good. Next one I think is just around the corner, so we'll carry on recording while we walk round. So this one is Rob Draper, 2021 again. Try and get across without getting run over by a bus. Although that might get the ratings up. Lose yourself. Nice like floral kind of wallpaper style flowers, nice gold lettering. Very tidy. Looking good after 4 years. couple monsters there. Looks good in the mirrored bottom of the stairs. Just catching that, buddy. Just caught that out of the corner of my eye. I think the other bits are up on top. So we will try and head up these stairs and see where we end up. Seventh pencil, which is 2024. This is a really nice spot just by the shopping centre, in the shade, so the colours are going to stay nice for a long time. Really nice palette on that. Mr. Ski, chicken, looking quite perplexed. That is from 2022. And then I think this is Sweetheart Murals, 2021. This is a nice spot, so 4 years that's got on it. Colours are still looking really good. Look a little closer and what do you see? An inseparable link between the survival of you and the extinction of me. Now we've got a very nice wall from Rocket 01. It's not in a great position because it's a nice tall wall, but you're stuck on this short little walkway to see it. Getting some glare there, so we'll come back this way. Really nice work, like the little blackbirds down the bottom there. That is beautiful, really dreamy. The UFO up at the top. Have a quick look and see if I can figure out when this was from. 2022. So that's lasted really well. That's it for part 2. Thank you so much for watching. I think my favourite piece was Rocket 01. Let me know in the comments which yours was. Part 3 should be coming out Sunday or Monday evening, so make sure you're subscribed and click the bell, turn on notifications, and you'll find out when that gets released. Drop us a comment, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.